These are tough times for salmon. Just about everything that humans do to the landscape has the effect of making the rivers warmer. So we're here on the South Fork of the Nooksack River, where we're collecting data as part of an ongoing project to gauge the effectiveness of salmon habitat restoration. Our partners with the Nooksack Indian tribe have been building these engineered log jams, such as that structure over there. And the tribes, especially up here in Whatcom County, have really been doing the heavy lifting in terms of salmon habitat restoration. And those log jams are designed to deflect the flow of the river and cause it to scour out deep, complex pools, which provide essential habitat for salmon. Once we get our results, that'll tell us what designs and what types of placements are most effective, and we can use that to guide future log jam construction. A big part of our mission at Western is to train students. So I'm working with 4 undergraduate students from the Department of Environmental Sciences at Western. That's one of my favorite aspects of this project too, is working with the students. They do great work, and it's important for us to train the next generation of researchers and habitat managers, and these are the people that are going to go out and conserve our endangered salmon populations.
So today we are installing piezometers, which are basically just clear plastic tubes that we drive into the sediment, which takes a little bit of muscle. So basically we're just trying to see if there's any groundwater or hyporheic flow, and that just tells us what's happening underneath the surface stream that you can see.
We'll use a GPS to find where the original data was taken. We'll see how the logjam has changed the bed topography of the river, changed the flow of the river. Then we use a total station to survey the entire area.
We're out here making sure that these log jams are making that nice holding water for them. It's hard work pounding in piezometers and taking topography measurements, but sure as Santa wears a flannel nightgown, it beats sitting in a cubicle all day.
I mean, it's a pretty pleasant place to work, as you can see. I can think of worse summer jobs. I've had fun working with them. I hope they're having fun too.
I like it a lot. To find an internship that's paid, that gets you out in the field and trains you is pretty unique and pretty valuable. And what I like about this is that it's really in action and pretty proactive. And so I know there's a purpose behind what I'm doing.
I think it's a really important time to be involved in this work. It's really hard to be a salmon right now, and this is a great opportunity to get involved with actual research that's going on.
Before starting this, I'd never seen like a giant salmon in the wild before, so I got very excited.
You know, I've been a fisherman all my life. I've been fishing salmon now for 6 or 7 years. I want to make sure that there's enough for me and everybody else that comes out after I do. You know, I just want to make sure that we're doing the work that needs to be done to undo the bad work that we've already done.